I tried to sharpen the chain with a template manually with a file and a screwdriver, but the result was not impressive. It works a little better with a screwdriver, but still not enough. At the next stage, I decided to try the grinder. I will say right away that I am very skeptical about this method. I think that it is very difficult to maintain the required angle, and it is easy to damage the chain with one awkward movement. In addition, it is already dangerous. First, I updated the marks on the vise with a marker. Having maintained the required angle, I first took good aim. It is good to perform such an operation with a grinder with a speed regulator.